Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
Yes, Ravi, everything is fine. Yeah.
Okay, good. So one JPA repository is there. If we want to use this JPA repository, then what we have need to do now, guys, we have need to write our own, right? Our own interface also, right? So what we will write it now, guys? So our project name, I'm going to use our product management. Our project name will be project name will be product management, guys. Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
Product management. Product management, right? Our application will be product management now, guys. So what we have need to do now, guys, so we have need to write our own interface, because this is the interface, right? In the interface we don't have uh, every implementation classes is there. So what we have need to do now, if we want to use JPA repository, then what we have need to do now, we have need to write our own product, right? Product repository,
Yes,
right?
Ravi. Extends by JPA repository.
Sorry.
Yes, Ravi, extends by JPA repository in the product repository.
Yes, this is also interface itself only, right? This is also interface itself only. So then what we have need to do
That's why
now?
I said
Because of
extend.
it will be taking to the entity class from the
Yes.
fields for creating the table,
Yes,
interacting with the DB.
yes. So next what we will do it now, guys, what we will do it now, we have need to connect, right? Connect our JPA repository with what? Our own interface. Then between these two interface, what relation will be there now, guys? Come on.
Easy relation.
Easy relation,
Easy
right?
relation.
Easy relation, right? So fine now, guys.
Yes.
So after then we learn in initial only, right, how to make our application as a loose couple. So we have need to develop our application as based on what? POJI programming model, right? Come on.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Anyone remember this concept, whatever, like when I was explaining in the Spring Boot core module, already I completed those concepts, guys. Come on, to make our
Yeah.
application as what?
Yes,
Loose
Ravi.
couple.
Yes.
Yes. So what we will do now, here we have need to write, we have need to write interface service, right? Service class, sorry, service interface. Service interface, right? Service interface, this is the interface where we will write all abstract method, right? All abstract method, whatever we have need to whatever we have need to give implementation, right? Those will be there in the service interface was as a abstract, right? Come on.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
but we can't
I
write,
have,
but we can't write
if you
what?
don't mind, without service interface, directly we can implement in a service layer.
We can implement it, but where our loose coupling concept will be there now. Tight coupling, our application will be tightly, right? And if we give like this application to our client, then when our client need what? Another implementation
Loosely
class,
coupled. Yeah.
then
Yeah.
what will happen now? Again our client will pay more money now.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Yes.
So where we will write the business logic now, it's implementation class, because that is what? That is the interface, right? But we have but if we need to write where, if we need to write our business logic, then where we will write it now, guys? Come on.
Class
In
Implementation classes.
it's in
Implementation.
yeah, in implementation class. So
Yes, Ravi.
okay, so between what? Interface and what? Its implementation class, what relation will be there now, guys?
Is a
Easy relation will be there, right? Easy relation will be there, guys. Okay, easy relation will be there. But what we will use that, right? That product repository in what? Service class, right? Product repository in what? Service class. Then how we will inject this object in what? In the service class now, guys. We have need to make what? Has a relation.
at the rate on automate.
Yeah, auto are, but
Yes, Ravi.
auto based on that our auto are which relation we are implementing in the application now, guys? Has a relation now. Yeah, has a relation between what service implementation to what product repository. What relation will be now, guys? Come on.
And the relationship.
Has a relation, right? So after then what, where we have need to write one integration layer, right? We have need to write our what integration layer.
Yes.
That is the what our
That
REST
is a
class, REST controller, right?
controller. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Our REST controller, this is nothing but what class itself only, right? There is no here there is no interface. And what is that between our controller to what our service interface, what relation will be now, guys? Has a relation, right?
The relationship.
Yeah, has a relation. Has a relation will be there, guys. Okay, so fine now. Okay, so this is what, this is our what backend application, guys. Okay, these are, this is the our backend application. Good. Okay, fine now. So here we, then what we have need to do after, then we will work on what front end application, right? Front end application, our front end application can be, right? I will tell. Okay, then we will work on what, this is the provider producer application, guys. Okay, this is what our producer application. This is our
Yes,
what?
Ravi.
This is producer application. This is producer application. Now we are going after, then after completing those things, right? Then what we will implement now, our consumer application.
Front end, yeah, consumer front end application.
Consumer application. Okay, a consumer can be, guys. Okay, consumer, it's not only what UI application, can be Angular application, can be, right? Can be our what REST template web client, or what React JS application, or what Android application. Any application can be, right? Any application consumer. Okay, so whenever our consumer will make the request, this request will go to a what our backend application, guys. Okay, this then what, this is the network, right?
Yes, Ravi.
This is
Yes,
the
Ravi.
network, right? Network. So our communication will happen based on what, HTTP, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. HTTP.
Yeah, so okay, so like this our application will be now, guys. So let's first work on this area, right? Then we will work on this area. First we will work on this area now, guys. Okay, then what we will do it now, then after we will implement this area, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay,
Now
so
we discuss about the requirements.
sorry,
Requirements for the application. We're discussing.
requirement.
We are discussing about now. Requirements. Yeah.
Your voice is not clear, guys. Your voice is breaking now. Okay.
I'm asking. Yeah. I'm asking. Now we will discuss about the pre-requirements for our application.
Yes, we are going.
Requirements.
Yeah, we are going to what whatever dependency we have need to work on, what our product management application, we are going to list out those dependency. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sir.
Yeah, so okay, fine now. So to develop what product management application, I'm going to what use what MySQL database, guys. Okay, I'm going to use what MySQL database.
Okay, Ravi. So, Ravi,
Okay,
will
Ravi.
you use Angular or other thing in the back end, front end part?
Front end we will implement what, we will implement Angular, whatever jQuery, if you say jQuery, and if you say what Angular.
is prepared, Ravi.
Sorry,
Angular.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Angular will. Angular.
okay, no issue, Angular we will implement, right? Angular itself only, right?
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you.
Okay,
Really,
fine.
thanks.
Sir, thank you.
Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so after then what, Lombok API I will use it, right? Lombok to generate what, setter getter, right?
Setters and getters and constructors.
Lombok, right? After then what? Our data JPA, dependency
For
we
the
will use.
persistence layer.
Persistence layer.
Data JPA, right? Data JPA dependency we will use. After then what? We will use what? Spring Web starter, right? Spring Web dependency, right? After then what?
Dev tools. Dev tools.
Yes, we will use what? Dev tools, right? To avoiding restart, right? Tools, right? These dependency we will use, guys. Okay, these dependency we will use in this project. And what our database will be MySQL.
Yes, security also we're taking now here, if you don't mind.
No, I'm
Security
not.
also important for the
Later
our API is also supporting secure.
See, boss,
Yeah, okay, sir.
I know that you have good knowledge, right? Give the time. Whenever time will come, I will explain it. Okay. So
Yeah, okay, sir.
already so many unnecessary. Don't speak much, okay? Because others people also their disturbance will happen, right?
Yeah, okay, sir. Carry on.
Yes, whatever discussion is going on, sync in this session, okay? I will take care everything, security and all those things. First, what? Understand this area, right? Even
Okay.
even what? If you write Puspendra and Padma, right? And the last time when I was explaining Spring, right? Spring, at the time I completed those things in the that mini project, right?
Yes, Ravi, Angular also.
Yeah.
Even Satish also know that, right? So give me
No,
chance.
sorry.
I think your first day, and in the first day only you are showing your talent. What is the use, man?
Yeah, no.
And
I'm
those videos
watching
are
your
available
videos
on YouTube also, Ravi.
continuously in the YouTube. So I'm watching in YouTube videos.
Yes,
But
already.
not comfortable my time to attend the live session.
Okay, so no issue. Okay, MySQL database, Lombok API, data JP, and Spring Web and a Dev tool. These tools I will use it. Okay, so now I'm going to first what we will do it now, guys. Let's create the project. So shall we create it now? Use the chat box.
Sure,
No,
Ravi, sure.
Yes, sir.
use the
Yes,
chat
Ravi.
box. Use the chat box, guys. Okay, because recording also going on. If we talk much, right, then the problem also there because I will upload this video on YouTube, right?
Please mute everyone.
No, let's give, but don't disturb. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, guys? So now file, new, let's take a Spring Starter project, right? A Spring Starter project. In this Spring Starter project, what I'm going to do now, guys, is Spring Boot. Let's take product management mini project, right? Mini project. Okay, so now next, already what is that? Lombok, Spring Data JPA, MySQL driver, Spring Web, Spring Boot Dev tool, right? This dependency we have need, guys. Okay, so what is that? Spring Boot Dev tool, Lombok, Spring Data JPA, MySQL, and what? Spring Web. Now next, now finish. Today in the session, Sudhir there or not? Come on, Sudhir, you are there?
Hello, Ravi.
Yes, Satish.
I have a little bit doubt.
Yes.
Actually, in STS4, we need to install for Lombok plugin or not?
Yes, without installing you can't work. Okay, so you have need to install it.
Yeah,
First,
plugin.
first time you have need to install it. First you have need to install it. Project creation is going on, guys. Okay. I'm audible.
Yes, Ravi, now
Yeah,
audible.
you are audible.
Yes, Ravi. Go ahead.
Yeah, Suraj also there in the session. Okay, project is created, guys. Okay, project is created now. Where the project? Yeah, this one, right? Okay, so anyone remember that what like a data GPA properties, guys? Uh, I need
Yes,
to
Ravi.
yes, right? Come on, good, very good, Satish,
Yes.
very good.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So what? So first, what we will do now? Server configuration. Let's
Yes,
give
Ravi.
what server configuration, right? So we know that how we are commenting in the property file using what has symbol, na?
We have, yes, has symbol.
Yeah.
Server details. Server details, right? What is that? Server dot what? Server dot port, right?
Dot port.
Server dot port. Just 9595. I'm taking, right? What happened? 95, right? Okay, so after then what? Let's give what? Database details, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give what? Database details. Database connection details, right? Connection details. Database connection details. Okay, fine now, guys. So in that, right, what we have need to do now is Spring. First one is what? How we will load, how we will yes, Spring dot what? Data source,
Dot,
right?
dot data source. Yes.
Data source, data source, data
Dot
source.
driver.
Yes, driver. Good, Manjulata. Good, very good. Another property is
Yes.
what? Spring what? Data source,
Data
Data source. Dot URL.
data
username.
source dot URL, right? Okay. Another one is what? Spring dot what? Data source,
Dot username.
Username.
source dot what? Username, right? Username.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. And inside that, what we will do now? Username, URL, username. After then what?
Password.
Spring dot
Dot data
data
source.
source,
Password.
data source dot what? Password, right? These four property will be there, guys, to loading what? To loading our JTBC driver, as well as what? To opening for the our what? Database, as well as what? Using username and password, right? Come on. So let's what I'm going to do now? Chrome, 1 minute.
Launch MySQL.
Ravi, these properties are defined in sequential manner, or we can define randomly.
You can take any no need to what? First one itself. Okay, you can take randomly also, right?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Ravi, actually, I have asked one question to you. That time your voice is breaked. So, what you suggested?
What?
Actually, what about the means plugin? Need to plugin first install in STS4 or just directly use Lambo?
No. First you have need to install it, then you can use it, right?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't remember these things, guys. Okay, just you copy paste from the internet only, right? Okay, root. Now let's create one database table inside that what database, guys. Okay, so here I'm going to use what my MySQL, right? So inside that MySQL we have need to create one database, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one database. Right click, create database. Our database table name is what? Database name is what? Product.
Product database.
Product itself only I'm taking, right? Now create it. Now our table, our database is created, right? So what I'm taking now here, I'm taking product table name only. Sorry, product database
Yes.
name. Okay, so all information related to our what? Related to our what? MySQL database, right? All information we given in what? Property file. Now clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now, but we are going to use what? Data JPA, right? So we have need to give data JPA property information also na.
Hibernate. Yes, sir. Hibernate.
Yes,
Oh,
Ravi. Hibernate.
yes, good, very good. So now has symbol again. I'm here JPA property. JPA properties, right? JPA property. Fine. So what is the JPA property now, guys? Spring.jpa.
JPA dot
Spring
show
JPA.
dot square.
JPA dot show.
So yes,
So
SQL.
right. So by default this is the false. So then what we will take it now, guys?
True.
True, right? Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so spring.jpa
DML.
hibernate,
Dot
right?
DDL. Yeah, Hibernate.
Hibernate. Okay, ddl.auto. So first we will take create
Yeah.
4 properties there. First one I'm taking create itself only, right? Again, it's
Okay.
really this one is need to explain again this property, guys.
No, Ravi. No.
No,
No,
na?
no.
No,
Sir,
no, no, no.
No, 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 no,
Spring,
no.
Will you
spring,
take update also? It perform the 3 operations.
yes,
Spring.jb.hibernate.
we can take it. Okay, we can take it, but first we later we will do those things. Okay, whenever it's needed.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Database, right? Database platform. We will take what? Database platform now, guys. Okay, so okay, spring.database platform. So what we have need first, what? Dialect, right? Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
yeah,
MySQL dialect.
MySQL dialect. Okay, so what we will do it now, we will copy the dialect from the class file only, guys. Okay, so MySQL dialect, I'm copying
Class
this
name
class.
and package name.
Yes, class name with what? Package name. Fine now, guys. So come here, come top. Okay, copy this one also. Copy this one now. Okay, fine. Now our property file is ready now, guys. Okay, come. Our property
Yes,
file
Ravi.
is
Dialect,
ready.
dialect. The property
Sorry.
should be dialect instead of platform.
Okay, yes. No, it's
Yes,
correct.
Ravi.
That's correct. Ayodele correct, right? Any doubt?
Yeah, no doubt, no doubt.
Ravi.
Carry on.
Okay, fine. So now come here, right? Come here in our what? Come here, what? Our model class, right? I said that first we have need to develop what? Our model class, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's develop it now. Okay.
Yes, bro.
So what is that? Now right click. Okay, new, and take one class here. So the class name I'm taking what? Com.model, right? Model, and here what I'm taking now? Product, right? Product. So let's decide the data in the product class, guys. Okay, whatever data first. Now currently in the last, right, in the Spring MVC also, whatever project I completed, that one only I'm implementing again here also, right? So in that, what data is there now, guys? So like we took GST calculation plus discount and what? Product name, product cost, this data we took na. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
So based on that one only our implementation will be there now, guys. Okay, so let's take those property, that attribute only, right? So what attribute was there now? So private private integer, private integer, private integer product ID. Okay, one attribute. Another one is what? Private string
Product name.
product code, right? Another one is what?
Ravi, ID could be auto generated, no?
Yeah, I will take that one only, but still just we are preparing our model data, right? So later we will I will explain Pushpendra. Okay.
Thank you.
After then what? Product code is completed. Now product cost, right?
Product dispatch time.
Product
Price.
product
Value,
Price.
price.
product cost, right?
Cost.
Product cost. After then what kind of data? Product vendor also,
Product
right?
expect time.
Private
Vendor.
Time also.
product
Name.
vendor,
Vendor.
product vendor, right?
GST.
Yeah,
Yes,
product name also there now.
Product code,
GST and discount. Also.
product cost, and product vendor. Okay, now let's calculate the GST also, right? Private
Double GST.
private double GST, right? GST, fine. Product GST.
Discount also.
Yes, private how much? If the person is purchasing this product, how much like a GST will applicable, and how much discount that person will get, right? Okay, so double product discount, right? DS product, right? Okay, let's take this attribute only, right? So okay, fine now guys. So but what, whenever we are working, but if we want to generate what setter getter as well as what parameterized constructor, we will use what Lombard,
Lombard.
at the rate data, right? After then I need what? Parameterized constructor. Then what? No,
Required parameter constructor. NOR constructor and required parameter constructor.
good.
Constructor.
Okay, fine now guys. So after then Julie, I think your mobile is vibrating. Okay, fine. So here what? Data, right? After then, if this is the model class now, come on guys.
Yes.
So
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Entity.
yes, very good. At the rate entity, right? Entity. Okay, fine now guys. But what? In the database, I want to give what? My own choice name. I don't want to give what? Product name, right? So what?
Table.
Very good. At the rate table, right? At the rate table, inside that what we will do now? Name equal to product underscore tab, right? This is the name I'm taking, guys. Okay, so I don't want to, in the application, right? Our ID will generate what? In the sequential format itself only. I don't want to give what? ID. So for that, what annotation we will take?
Generated value.
Yes, at the rate.
Generated value.
Yes. Yeah, it will generate in the sequential format our application itself only. We don't have need to take care what? ID, right? ID. Prime. Okay, so but what is that? But if we want to take make in application ID primary key, then what annotation we will take it now, guys? At the rate ID. At the rate ID. Okay guys, in the all annotation, which annotation is mandatory, guys? Come on. Which two?
ID.
Okay, very good. At the rate entity, and the what? At the rate ID. These two. So many noises is happening. A delay from your side. Please mute yourself. Okay, this two annotation is what? Mandatory, guys. Okay, this two annotation is what? Mandatory itself only, right? So fine now, guys. Okay, so after then what? If you want to give our own choice name in what column itself also, column also, then what annotation we will take it now? Use the chat box, guys. Okay.
Column.
Yeah.
At the rate column.
Yeah, at the rate column annotation, right? Column annotation. Inside that, what we will take now, guys? Name. Sorry.
Product type.
Okay. Inside that, what I'm taking now?
Name.
PID just I'm taking, right? PID itself only. P underscore ID, right? Fine, right? Copy. Another one is okay. So here itself only P code. P code. Okay. Fine. Now another one is what? P cost. P cost, right? Another one is what? P vendor. Just VEN. I'm taking, okay. After then what? PGST I'm taking, right? PGST. PGST. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so another one I'm taking what? Another one what? I'm taking what? P discount. Now our what? Our model class is ready now, guys. Okay, come on. It's ready. I still something is left. Come on, guys. It's ready.
No. Ready.
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 Okay, based on that, if we run our application, right, based on this entity model class, whatever, right, whatever fields are there, based on that one table will create, right, in the database. Nothing is there, right? Just product.
Yes,
What?
Ravi. Yes.
Nothing is there, huh? Come on. Anything is there now, guys?
Yes, Ravi. No, Ravi, no there. Not there.
No.
No, Ravi.
Okay, so now I'm running our application, right? I'm going to run our application now. Right click, run our application. Yes. Now come to database, just refresh it. Now one product table is created, right? And one sequence, Hibernate sequence, because of we took iterate generated value, na? Come on, guys. Now view the table.
Yes, Ravi.
Our table is created,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
In the database, our table is created, na? Based on our input field. Come on, guys.
Correct,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, so now what? This area we completed, guys. Till now, all working things we completed. This area we completed. Now we have need to focus on this area, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now are you ready to work on this area now, guys? So many things is there, guys, and I'm happy. Okay,
Absolutely, Ravi.
our strength is not reducing. 26 member means 26. Very good. I appreciated everyone, each and everyone in the session, guys. Okay. Okay, fine now, guys. So let's work on this area now. Are you ready? Come on.
Absolutely, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes.
let's
Yes,
work
Ravi.
on. Now I'm going from here onward. You guys also enjoy the session, guys. Okay, little bit I'm going slow. I know that, but you know, initial implementation is there now. From here onward, I'm going to implement logics. I will play with you guys. Okay, don't worry. Whenever I will write the logics now. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on. So okay, so what we have need to implement, guys. Okay, let's work on first this area, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. First need to
Yes,
create.
right.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, come here. Now what we will do now, we will create one package. In that package only, right? Because we have need to achieve what? Modularity also, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes, modularity.
okay, fine.
Help us
Right,
packages.
right.
Yes, sir.
Write new, and what we will take it now, guys? Write new, and we will take one interface, right? Inside that, just take what? Repository.
Yes.
Repo, right? Just what I'm taking product, right? Interface, I'm taking product repository.
Product repository. And also add And also add extends JPA repository here only directly.
No issue. We can extend it, but here explicitly, because we are learner, right? So my intention is what we have need to see explicitly itself only. I can add it there
Yeah,
also,
okay,
right?
okay.
So okay,
Yes, Ravi.
I can complete within this is mini project, right? Within the half an hour also I can complete it. But what is the use if you guys not understand?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Extend, right? Extend, what is that? What is a JPA repository, right? We have need to extend what? JPA repository, right? JPA repository. In the JPA repository, what we will pass it here now, guys? Come on.
Model
Our
name, model class,
model
Product.
model class name
Product.
plus what?
and a
ID,
type,
right?
integer.
Integer.
Yes.
Integer. Okay, fine. Now our JPA repository is ready now. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Ready, Ravi.
Now
sir.
this area also be completed, right? This area also be completed,
Yeah.
right? This area we completed.
Ravi,
Yes,
I think,
Ravi.
Ravi, I
Yes,
think we
Ravi.
have to annotate that report.
This area, what?
We have to annotate that repository, I think.
Why we will annotate it? This is the JPA repository.
need,
We
Ravi.
don't
No
have
need.
need to annotate it. Okay. Okay, fine. Now this area is completed, right?
Yes, Ravi. Completed.
Okay. Now we have need
Yes,
to work. We have need to work on this area now. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Okay,
Ravi.
so if two interface and the implementation class are what, if two classes is there in the easy relation, then development will start from what? Come on, parent to child, right?
Interface service.
Parent
Yes.
child.
Parent to
Yes.
child. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Parent to child.
Okay, okay. So what we will do now? First, we will develop our what? Product service
Service interface.
interface, right? So in the interface, what we will give what? All CURD operation, guys. So all CURD operation methodology, right? So what I'm going to do now, right click, new, take one interface and what? com.rk.service service, right? And what we will take it now, IE product service, right? product service. Now finish it, guys. Okay, now finish it. So basically our CURD operation, we are going to perform all CURD operation in this mini project na. Come on. So in the normally in the CURD operation, what kind of operation will be there? We can save the data, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
And
We can
we have need to update, right?
update. Yes.
Insert and delete.
Update,
Insert.
Get and
update data, right? After then what we have need to give the facility our to our end user, what? Delete the data, right?
Delete.
Yeah, get all and get by ID.
Delete data, right? After then we have need, if our end user want to select only one record, for that purpose get one record,
Get by
right?
ID.
Get by ID.
Get one record, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
After then if end user
And
want
get all.
if end user want what to fetch all data, for that purpose we have need to give one more methodology, get all also, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So you
yes, right.
guys, the thing is you can write like this also, but what in the real time we have need to follow naming convention. By seeing the method only in right, the person, other developer can understand what is the use of this methodology, right? Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
okay,
Yeah,
so
yes.
we have need to save the product, right? Come on. Then this methodology, by seeing that method means what? Save the product means what? It's look good, right?
Yes, Ravi. Naming convention.
So
Yes,
product,
Ravi.
yeah, we have need to save what? Product itself, and the return type is what? ID. After saving that record, right, we are getting what? Integer ID itself only, right? ID we are getting. Okay. Integer ID. Okay, fine now, guys. So after then we have need to what? Update.
Yeah, it is integer also, or some directly entity class also return to now. Both
Yes.
are possible.
Yeah, both are possible, but here we have directly we will take what? ID only. If our
Integer.
method,
Okay.
if our method having the capability to return direct what integer only, then what we have need to return object. After then also if we need what id, then we have need to convert what that object again in what id, right? Id, then we have need to fetch
Yeah.
the id, then what